Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of voice. You will go to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here you will search about the application of voice and you will enter here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on Clear Cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Voice app. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.